Yes, student, this is the most important video, okay, for the electrochemistry chapter. With the help of this video and the knowledge, we can solve the numerical question. We can construct a galvanic cell made up of different type of species. Okay, not only Zn and copper, but there may be more other type of electrodes can be used. Okay, and we have to obtain the EMF or cell potential of the cell. Then how will be the conventional form to show there is some knowledge. On the basis of knowledge there is a numerical question which will help you during the study and during the solution of the numerical question. Therefore you have to watch this video very carefully. Actually it is related to what? In a cell, that is electrochemical cell, or if we have to construct a galvanic cell, okay, how to find which electrode will act as negative or oxidation electrode, or which one will act as positive, that is what? Reduction electrode. You know that reduction electrode, this is termed as which one? This is termed as positive, and the oxidation, it is termed as what? Negative electrode. Getting? So student, in the electrochemical series, large number of species are given. Getting? Their standard reduction values are also given there. Again I am repeating, standard reduction value, that is in 1 m concentration, that is 1 molar concentration. Getting? Starting from the NCERT book, the uppermost is a positive value, then it comes to 0, and then it goes for negative values. So three type of standard reduction value are given. Some values are given with positive sign. One value for hydrogen is given with 0 value, 0.0 volt, and then lower to the hydrogen there is a reduction value, standard reduction value with negative value. So observing this electrochemical series, how do we find in a cell, okay, if the two species are given there and their standard reduction values are given, okay, then with the help of these two standard reduction potential value, which one will be considered as negative and which one will be considered as positive, or which one will act as oxidation electrode and which one will act as reduction electrode, because the cell potential is the difference of reduction electrode by oxidation electrode. That is, we are writing E standard reduction minus E standard oxidation. Getting? Or E standard positive minus E standard negative. So very first we have to determine which will act as positive and which will act as negative. So first one, the reduction electrode. Reduction electrode means what? Positive. Okay? And if standard reduction potential value of an electrode is with the positive sign or more positive as compared to other one. Remember, positive or more positive if we are comparing it with other one. Okay, that is if two values are given and both are with positive sign, then here we have to compare less positive and more positive. Are you getting? Then will be called reduction electrode. And what about oxidation? If standard reduction potential value is given with negative sign, that is minus sign, or more negative as compared to other species. Okay, like if one of the electrode is positive, one of the electrode is negative value, then there is no problem. But the problem generates if both are negative. Then we have to compare which one will be more negative. So those one which is more negative is called oxidation electrode. Are you getting? So to understand it, let's solve a question. A question is, a cell is prepared by dipping a copper rod, that is one of the electrode is copper, and it is dipped in standard 1 molar solution of copper sulfate. Getting? And another rod, that is another electrode, is what now? Nickel. Look at here, I changed the species in this galvanic cell. Let it is made up of copper and nickel system. And the nickel rod is dipped in again standard 1 molar solution of nickel sulfate. Getting a standard reduction potential value of the two electrodes. Copper, it is what? 0.34 with what? Positive sign, no need to write. And if the standard reduction potential value of nickel is given minus 0.25. So look at the student here. One of the value is given with positive sign, one of the value is given with negative sign. So with the help of this topic, we can understand which will act as positive and which one will act as negative, or which will act as cathode or which will act as anode. Because again I am repeating, cell potential is the difference of reduction by oxidation. Are you getting? So to find reduction and the oxidation, we have to use this value. Okay, now the some questions are given on the basis of it. Question number 1, write the cell reaction. Okay, that is how to write the cell reaction. So we can write what? First what? Cell expression. How to write cell expression? So first more reactive and then less reactive. So which one will be more reactive? One which is getting oxidized. One which will getting oxidized. So here we will take the help number one which is with negative value. With negative value act as what? Anode. Act as anode, that is where oxidation takes place. And with positive will act as what? Cathode. Act as what? Cathode. So which one is will be act here as cathode? So obviously the copper will act as what? Cathode. And anode, it will act as what? Nickel. You can write here what? Nickel. So now the nickel become anode, that is oxidation, and that become cathode. So now what will be the cell reaction? The cell reaction will be here. Now the copper is what? Copper is act as cathode. So E standard cell is equal to what? Cathode minus what? Anode. What is the cathode here? The cathode is what? Copper. Getting? And what is the anode here? The anode is become what? Nickel. Now what is the value of copper? This is plus 34 minus what is the value of nickel? Its value is become minus 0.25. So when you will solve it, it will give 0.59 volt. So there will be the cell potential. Getting? And how do we write the reaction? Okay, so now the anode is what? Nickel. So we can write the reaction as Ni solid will convert into Ni2 cation and will release 2 electron, and here on the other hand copper will gain 2 electron and will convert 2 electron and will convert into copper solid. So in this way we can solve the question. Are you getting?